In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Woocommerce in just 5 minutes. Logging into your Woocommerce account is the first step to managing your online store, whether you're new to Woocommerce or need a little refresher. Today's tutorial is designed to guide you through the login process smoothly and effectively. Let's dive into the specifics. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to Woocommerce's official website. This can be done by typing woocommerce.com into your browser's address bar or simply conducting a quick search for Woocommerce through your preferred search engine. Once the web page loads, you're on the right track. Now, you won't be on the home page for too long because your next step is to find and click on the login link. This is typically located at the top right corner of the website. It's a gateway for existing users to access their accounts, blending in with other options yet distinct enough for you to spot. The login link is your portal to managing your e-commerce store, so clicking it is a crucial step. Upon clicking login, you will be ushered to a new page, which is essentially the gateway to your Woocommerce dashboard. Here you're presented with a pivotal choice to continue with your email address or opt for the convenience of signing in through Google. This flexibility caters to different user preferences, emphasizing ease and accessibility in accessing your account. Choosing to proceed with your email requires you to provide your name and email address in the designated fields. It's important to enter this information accurately to ensure a smooth login process. If your details are already associated with a Woocommerce account, you'll be one step closer to your dashboard. Alternatively, opting to sign in with Google streamlines the process even further. This option is perfect for those who prefer to keep their logins consolidated and utilize Google's secure authentication process. It bypasses the need to remember another password, leveraging an account most users frequently access. Now let's talk about clicking Continue. This action propels you forward in the login process. It's the button that stands between you and managing your Woocommerce store. After filling in your details or choosing to sign in with Google, clicking Continue signals the system to verify your credentials. This step is akin to turning the key to your store's front door, poised to welcome you into the administrative cockpit of your online business. The visuals accompanying these steps on the Woocommerce site are intuitive and designed to guide you through the process. From the moment you decide to log in to the validation of your credentials, Woocommerce ensures a user-friendly experience. The login page, option to continue with Google, and the continue button are all laid out in a manner that is easy to navigate, even for those logging in for the first time. Remember, securing your login details is paramount. Always ensure you're logging in through the official Woocommerce website to protect your personal and business information. The convenience of the login process does not compromise on security, offering you peace of mind as you access your account. In summary, logging into your Woocommerce account is a straightforward process. Starting on the Woocommerce homepage, locating and clicking the login link, choosing to continue with your email or Google, and finally clicking on Continue to access your account. Each step is designed with simplicity and user experience in mind. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to log in to Woocommerce. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or managing your existing online shop, knowing how to smoothly log in is essential. Keep this guide handy for future reference, and here's to the success of your Woocommerce store.